I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac, and today I am highlighting the 4520 Pro model. I am very excited to do this because this is my new easy button. I get asked all of the time, what tractor should I buy, what should I get it outfitted with, and how do I get it? And this is my answer now and for the future to all of those questions. So what is the 4520 Pro? Well, it's basically an addition to the base 4520 machine that gives you the ability to run almost every attachment in almost every condition. It's designed to be a simple solution for any commercial user to be able to go and buy and know that they're going to get the job done no matter what they're doing. As anyone who has ever looked into purchasing a Ventrac will know, there are a lot of different configurations that this machine can go through, and you would choose a bunch of those different options in order to suit your particular type of work. What we've done with the Pro is give it a factory installed base level of accessories that make this a much easier process. The 4520 Pro includes 5 key additions. First, the foot pedal. Second, the dual auxiliary hydraulics. Then we have third function hydraulics, the relief valve, and a front 12 volt. And together, these 5 accessories allow the 4520 to run all of our most popular attachments. The Pro model is easily identifiable by the unique graphics back here on the rear fenders, and then you can also see the original cluster of hydraulics up at the front. This is where most of the action is happening and all of the additional kits that allow you to run all of those different accessories and attachments. One of the most important things about the Pro model is that it's a factory install option. So when you get this model from your dealer, it was built here at Ventrac on the assembly line like this. It allows for better quality control, more consistency, and we know that at the dealership level, when you walk onto the showroom floor and you see the Pro moniker, you know that this machine is ready to work and I can do anything with it. As you can see on the tractor behind me, only those 5 additional accessories that the Pro kit includes are installed on this machine. We purposely built this one without any additional accessories so that it showcases only the Pro editions. Just a special note there, if you are custom ordering your tractor through a dealer, then you can stack onto the Pro model some different accessories that we install here and then other accessories yet that the dealer will install. So talk to your salesperson for more information there. One final point of mention on the 4520 Pro is that this kit is available on any engine option. The tractor beside me is a diesel, but you can get it on any of the engines that we offer, and it can go down the line just like that. Since this video is more of a broad overview of the Pro kit and what that includes, we're not going to go real deep on the technical specs, but if you're interested in the changes that these actual kits make to the tractor, I'll recommend 2 separate videos. We have a 4520 overview that is a very in-depth machine overview, shows all the controls, all the different functions and options. And then we also have a loader connection video. Those 2 videos will be linked for this one, and those are 2 great ones to watch to get an understanding of what these things do to change the machine and transform its capabilities. That's a wrap for the 4520 Pro. The message is simple with this one. This tractor does everything. I look forward to using it exclusively in all of our future media, and I look forward to seeing them in use in our professional users' hands out in the real world. For more information on this model, check out the website. Also, make sure you subscribe to all of our social channels for more content featuring these machines in the future.